Welcome back to the channel AF Car Review. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary and breathtaking muscle cars ever built, the 1967 Ford Mustang Eleanor 427. This isn't just a car, it's an icon, a masterpiece that combines raw power, vintage style, and pure emotion. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will make you fall in love with the spirit of American muscle all over again. Now let's start with the first impression. The Eleanor 427 looks absolutely stunning from the moment you see it. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, with custom headlights, a sculpted hood, and that signature Shelby-inspired racing stripe that runs through the body. The bold chrome accents around the grille and the deep rumble from the quad exhausts give it that unmistakable attitude that says this car means business. The stance is low, the body curves are muscular, and every inch screams performance and power. Under the hood lies the true beast, a 7.0-liter 427 cubic inch V8 engine producing around 550 horsepower and over 480 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just a car that looks fast, it is fast with instant throttle response and a sound that sends chills down your spine when you rev it up. Paired with a manual transmission, it gives that raw mechanical connection between the driver and the road, something modern cars can't replicate. Acceleration is pure drama, 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, which is incredible for a classic, and when you push it to the limit, the Eleanor handles with precision and confidence. Now talking about the interior, it's all about blending classic design with subtle modern touches. You'll find premium leather bucket seats, custom stitching, a vintage wooden steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. The gauges are retro-inspired but crystal clear, giving you that authentic old-school race car feel. Everything inside feels handcrafted with attention to detail that matches the car's legendary reputation. As for the driving experience, it's intense, powerful, and emotional. Every gear shift reminds you why this car is special. It demands respect and rewards you with pure driving joy. Whether cruising down the boulevard or tearing through open roads, the Eleanor makes every second unforgettable. When it comes to pricing, authentic Eleanor builds or high-quality replicas can range anywhere from $200,000 to $400,000 depending on specifications and build quality, making it a true collector's gem that continues to rise in value over time. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a car that represents power, passion, and legacy, the 1967 Ford Mustang Eleanor 427 is that dream come to life. Stay tuned till the end, because this legend doesn't just roar, it leaves a legacy. Thanks for watching AF Car Review, where passion meets performance.